Yeah, so what's funny about the great replacement theory is that's the thing. Obviously, it's very popular on the right and some aspects of the center, particularly when it comes to Europe and the West in general. And then people on the left say it's nonsense, right? That's what it is. Problem is, if you're left wing and you think that the great replacement theory is nonsense, it's a conspiracy, you know, you shouldn't spend time convincing, and I really mean it, this, I'm not making fun of you. Stop wasting time trying to convince conservatives that it's not happening and start convincing the Muslims that it's not happening. Because I can find you, and I've seen them myself, numerous videos with Muslims that go into Denmark, go to Sweden, go to England, come to America, go to Canada, and when they're interviewed, they say, we will replace you. We get 8 kids per family. You guys are not breeding. In 30 years, you'll be gone. So it looks like that they believe in the replacement theory. Maybe not all Muslims, but if there are Muslims that say this, can we really blame, and there are, in combination with mass migration, can you really blame conservatives when they say, in amongst the whole anti-white spiel of white people suck, white people are horrible, tomorrow, guys, midday, my video, can you be racist to white people? Massive drop tomorrow, midday, write it in your calendar. I'll destroy them. But I'm saying, can you really blame it? If there are people that say this, I say, talk to these Muslims, tell them stop this nonsense, and then address the conservatives. Because otherwise, it's a problem because the Muslims are believing it too. That's my problem with that. And yes, I wouldn't put it behind it. I don't know, but it looks like it. Clip it. Clip it all you want. But then again, if I hear them say it, I'm going to start believing it because, I mean, they're saying it. They are saying it. So there's that.